Good morning, it's Mrs. McMillan. Hope you're having a great day. Let's go ahead and get our morning message started. We have our day of the week, the month. Thought we'd build the number 13 today and then write our year. So today is, let's see, we've got our days of the week. Let's review them. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yesterday was Tuesday, so that means today is Wednesday. And we need to start our word with a capital W. So let's go ahead and fill in the word Wednesday. Capital W, E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, and then there's our comma. And do you remember what the month is? Let's review those. I'm going to point and you help me read. Here, let's start with the first month of the year, which is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And it is still May, so we're going to start with our capital M, A, and Y. There's the number 13. It's the 13th day of May, and the year is 2020. So let's read our sentence. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. And there's our period because our sentence is ending. Now, let's see if we can build the number 13. Do you remember what these words say? Tally marks, tally marks. Now I'm going to go ahead and write some tally marks. And remember, tally marks are helpful when we're keeping track of something we're counting. So we are going to count the number of days we've had in May. So I want you to listen as I write my tally marks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is what 13 tally marks looks like, and this is the number for 13. We have 1, 10, 3 ones. Now let's look back at our tally marks. What do you notice about this first group? Did you notice that I stopped counting on 5? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write a little 5 there. And then I had to keep on counting or adding on or counting on. I stopped at 5, and then I'm starting with my new set of tally marks. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to write my number 10 there. Did you notice this is a group of 5? This is also a group of 5. So 5 and 5 more makes 10. So there's our 2 10s. Okay? I mean our 1 10. We have 2 groups of 5, which makes 10. So this is 1 10, just like we have here, 1 10. All right, and then we have some 1s. We stopped at 10, and we're going to add those 1s. 11, 12, 13. So there's the 13, and these are those 3 1s. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 10, and 3 1s. So don't get confused if I confused you earlier. This is 2 groups of 5, which actually is just 1 group of 10. I'll draw a circle around it, right, like that. So 1 group of 10, and then 3 1s. So really, the easiest thing about learning about tally marks is you can count by 5s and then add on your 1s. Good job. All right, let's look at my sentence today. It says, and then I have some words here that are missing, and then I wrote the word here. This is stories, stories. So my sentence has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words in it, and I'm telling you something because there's my period. So I'm going to fill in some words to make a sentence. My sentence is this is going to be the word like, L-I-K-E. I like to, there's the word to, write. So I'm going to write the word right. Now, it sounds like the word of your right hand, but it's a different way of spelling it. It means something different. It's an action word. So the word right sounds like it begins with R, which is R, but you know what? It actually begins with a silent W. And that weird silent W. And then we have the R. And then we'll have I-T, silent E at the end, so it's got a silent W at the beginning and a silent E at the end. Okay? Right. So let's read it. I like to write stories. Okay? Good. Now, the story that I'm going to finish writing today has the title. Do you remember when we were writing about our superheroes? My favorite superhero was or is Wonder Woman. And I had my little chart here that I could label the pictures of my superhero. I even had a word bank that I could use here. Let's review what my superhero labels are. We had mask, crown, her face, hands, and then she had those gold bracelets here. She had a cape, and remember hers was red. And there's the word foot, and I wanted to include the word boots. So let's see what my story started like, and I'm going to end it today. I think I'm finally ready to write a good ending to my story. So remember, my title is Wonder Woman. So I like Wonder Woman because she is strong. Her red cape is cool. She has gold bracelets. She protects herself. So I've got a good beginning, a good middle, and an ending, and I'm going to write, I think, a good ending, right? I have a beginning, a middle, I need an ending. So I'm going to tell you in an exciting way what I think about Wonder Woman. And remember how I have made the lines for how many words are in my sentence? I'm going to go ahead and do that for my last sentence. So my last sentence is going to be, I think Wonder Woman is very brave. So here's my lines for that. So I think, I probably can't fit here, so I'm going to go to my next line. So I think Wonder Woman is very brave. And I'm saying that with lots of feelings, and I'm going to put one of these at the end. It's an exclamation point. So now that I have my have my lines, I'm going to include the words. So let's review it. I think Wonder Woman is very brave. So let's make sure we have a capital letter at the beginning of our sentence. I've already included my spaces, and I also ended up with my exclamation point at the end. So now let's go to the second word of the sentence. I think. I hear the like thumb, ink. There's a K at the end. I think Wonder Woman, and remember there's her title. We had to start her name with a capital W here and a capital W there because it's her special name. So Wonder Woman. So I'm going to copy that. So capital W, O, N, little crooked there, E-R, and then woman. Another capital W, O, M-A-N. All right, so let's see. Let's review what I have. I think Wonder Woman is, that's an easy word to spell, is, I-S, is very brave. So let's write the word very. So very, very.